I'm not doing that. Today, guys, we're having this. So this is AVANandEZRA slime and Jello. Jello, open your eyes. Here you go. So, guys, first we need color glue. Then we need activator. If you want to, Jello, hold on. First, you gotta get some glitter. Gold glitter and black glitter, and you gotta use one of these. I don't know what those are. But so let's get. Well, first is unboxing. So, like,
do we have?
So red, green, purple, and blue. How can I have my purple? First is now getting it in the bowl. And we have Daddy. And also first we need activator. And we have some glitter to put in the. And Daddy, we need more bowls.
Let's get some bowls. Ingredients needed: 1 of Elmer's magical liquid included, and 1 6 fluid ounce Elmer's glitter glue included. Okay, a container for mixing, so we've got our bowls and a mixing utensil and a measuring spoon. So step 1.
It's like morphing.
Step 1, pour one of the glues into the container. So everybody do that.
How do you do that?
Just take the lid off and ooh.
Over there.
It's gonna take a little bit. Make sure it stays in the bowl.
Take a little bit, but.
What color you got, Jem?
Purple!
Do you love purple?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's so sparkly.
This is blue. Oh, it's hard.
What color you got, Memes? Sweet.
Daddy, this is mine.
Ezra, what color you got, bro?
Blue.
Sure do.
Can I look my
2, Ezra. Step 2, add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Then add 2 more tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Then we'll mix until it's well incorporated. You will notice the mixture becoming harder to mix and the slime begins to form. So let me see this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in about half, okay?
This is going to be like the king, Raven. So this is going to be the king one. Green and with half of these. S. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This actually feels like it's still activating, but I don't think so. And look at this. Look, I put it forward in here, and no slime doesn't come on me. That means it's perfect then. No, it's not perfect. The slime is supposed to come on you. I'm gonna put some glitter.
Still not mixed very well.
Are you ready to put glitter in it? Glitter. Okay? I want to put glitter in it. Glitter. Whoa.
All right, Avon, pick yours up, bro.
Also, no, I don't think it's ready.
I think it is.
Daddy, it's sticky.
Well, it's gonna be a little sticky. You gotta keep mashing it together. Mash it in your fingers like that.
Can I give you the spoon? As a oh, my skin. Why was it gets all over my
Just keep mixing it together. You're not gonna get it all over. Just keep picking it up and mixing it.
God. feels gooey. It's gooey. It's gluey. It feels gluey.
Feels gooey or gluey or both?
Like gooey, Luigi.
Like gooey?
Yeah.
I think mine's done.
Ugh.
You can get your slime off.
Daddy, my hand is sticky.
Well, honey, when you're all done, we'll wash your hands, but play with your slime.
Daddy, like
I think mine's ready, Mom.
Oh, gross. Yeah.
That's awesome. Was that fun to make?
Yeah, but it's. What?
Keep mashing it with your hands, Avon.
How?
Just like that. Just keep mixing it together and squeezing it.
Anybody do this?
Yep.
Gross.
Keep moving your hands in it, Jem.
I hate the slime. Why? It feels not ready. It doesn't feel ready. It feels like a spider web. It does.
I want to take it all out.
Daddy, it looks like red plastic.
It does.
It looks so gluey.
I hate the slime actually.
No, you don't.
I do. Why? It's gluey. Dude, it's supposed to be a little sticky.
Anything you guys want to tell your friends?
Thanks for watching.
First, guys, if you want to get the supplies to make it, ask your dad or mom. So. Oh, ask your parents or your grandparents.
Subscribe.
Another thing. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And
Don't
give us
forget
a
to
like.
video.
And peace out. And guys,
Yeah.
get a comment on our video and say what's your favorite color? Purple,
Green,
blue,
Green
or red?
or red.
Bye.
Bye.